Step Visa Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're looking for a modern financial tool designed specifically for teens and young adults, the Step Visa Card is probably on your radar. But with so many options available in 2025, you might be asking yourself, is it really worth it? Or should I leave it today? We're diving deep into the Step Visa Card, breaking down everything from features and fees to rewards and real-world usability, so you can make an informed decision. First, let's clarify what the Step Visa Card actually is. Step is a financial platform designed to help teens and young adults build credit safely. The Step Visa Card is essentially a secured card with a twist. It combines a prepaid account with a credit building component. This makes it unique compared to traditional debit or credit cards. Most people get this wrong, thinking it's just a debit card. But here's the truth. Step reports your payment activity to credit bureaus which can positively impact your credit score over time, as long as you use it responsibly. Now, let's talk about how to get started. Signing up for Step is straightforward. You download the app, verify your identity, and open an account. You'll need to link a funding source, like a bank account, to load money onto your Step card. The card itself is a real Visa **, which means you can use it anywhere Visa is accepted both online and in stores. One of the surprising advantages in 2025 is that Step supports ** digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay **, so you can make contactless payments without even touching the physical card. A critical aspect to understand is credit building **. Most people assume that using a prepaid card won't help their credit, and in many cases, they are right. But Step works differently. Even though you're limited to spending what you load onto the card, Step reports your activity to major credit bureaus, allowing teens and young adults to start establishing a positive credit history early. For example, if a 19-year-old uses the Step card responsibly, keeps their balance in check, and avoids overdraft-like scenarios, they could start building a strong credit profile before applying for traditional credit cards or loans. Now, let's break down fees and costs because this is where many cards lose their appeal. Step is subscription free That's right, there's no monthly fee, no annual fee, and no minimum balance requirement. This is a huge win compared to other teen-focused cards that often charge maintenance fees or require parent co-signers. There are some optional paid features like expedited card shipping, but for standard usage, Step is free. This is one of the main reasons it's worth considering. Next, let's cover spending controls and parental oversight which is a big selling point for families. Step allows parents to monitor spending, set allowances, and receive notifications all through the app. This feature teaches financial responsibility without giving unlimited access to funds. Parents can see each transaction, categorize spending, and help teens learn budgeting habits early. Most financial experts agree that this combination of autonomy and oversight is ideal for young adults learning to manage money. Another area worth highlighting is rewards Step has introduced a cashback program in 2025 for certain purchases, which can be a small but meaningful incentive. For example, you might earn 1% cashback on everyday purchases like groceries or online subscriptions. It's not huge, but for teens, every little bit counts. Also, unlike some rewards cards, there are no complicated tiers or rotating categories. You earn cashback consistently. Over time, this can help your teens see the tangible benefits of responsible spending. Let's talk about security. The Step Visa card is equipped with modern security features, including instant transaction notifications, two-factor authentication, and the ability to lock your card instantly through the app. Lost or stolen cards can be frozen or replaced quickly. In addition, because it's a Visa card, it benefits from Visa's zero liability protection meaning you're not responsible for fraudulent purchases. In today's digital world, these features are critical, especially for teens and young adults who may be more susceptible to online scams. Now, onto limitations because no card is perfect. Step does have some spending limits based on age and account verification level. For teens under 18, The maximum load and spending limits are lower than for adults. This can be restrictive if you're trying to make larger purchases, like electronics or travel bookings. Also, while STEP helps build credit, it doesn't offer a traditional revolving line of credit. That means you won't earn interest on balances or have the option to carry a balance month to month. If your primary goal is to build significant credit through borrowing, you may eventually need a traditional credit card once your STEP history is established. Another limitation is *** international usage ***. While the card works anywhere Visa is accepted, some users have reported that foreign transaction fees may apply when traveling internationally. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of if you plan to use the card abroad frequently. So, what about *** real-world usability ***? Here's where STEP shines. Teens and young adults consistently report that the card is easy to use for *** everyday purchases like food, online subscriptions, and retail shopping ***. Coupled with the app's budgeting tools, STEP makes it simple to track spending, set savings goals, and learn financial discipline. This real-world usability is a major factor in why many experts say STEP is *** worth it *** for the target demographic. To recap, let's weigh the *** pros and cons ***. Pros: free to use, no monthly or annual fees, helps teens and young adults build credit responsibly. Modern app with budgeting, monitoring, and parental oversight, compatible with digital wallets for contactless payments, cashback rewards for purchases, strong security features, and fraud protection. Cons: spending and loading limits for minors, no traditional revolving credit or interest accrual, potential foreign transaction fees, limited credit building impact if usage is very low. Now, let's address the big question. ***, is the STEP Visa card worth it in 2025? The answer depends on your goals. If your goal is to give a teen or young adult a safe, educational tool to manage money and start building credit STEP is an excellent choice. The combination of low risk, credit reporting, parental oversight, and usability makes it a standout option. If your goal is to earn significant rewards or carry a large credit balance, STEP alone may not be sufficient. You'd likely want a traditional credit card down the line. Finally, here's a *** bonus tip. For parents, consider combining the STEP Visa card with educational financial tools like ** saving challenges or goal-based incentives ***. For teens, encourage using the card for small, regular purchases rather than large one-off transactions. This builds both credit and financial habits that will pay off for years to come. In conclusion, the ** STEP Visa card in 2025 is a well-designed, low-risk, and effective financial tool for teens and young adults ***. It teaches financial responsibility, helps build credit history, and integrates seamlessly with modern payment methods. While it has some limitations in spending power and international use, the benefits far outweigh the downsides for its target audience. Most people get this wrong by underestimating its credit-building potential, but when used correctly, STEP can set the foundation for a strong financial future. If you found this ** STEP Visa card review ** helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more in-depth financial reviews and money-saving tips. Your future self will thank you for learning these smart money habits today.